Welcome back guys to the video. Today's video we are fitting a Maxton design front splitter to my car. Yeah, so I haven't seen if it's been painted or not, so bear with me.
So it could just be like...
could be the whole like...
Right.
Yeah, it could be like having to do what we do to the diffuser. Yeah. So yeah, I'll unbox it and let's see. Where's your knife bro?
Looks like you put the camera.
It's alright.
Wait, you're okay with the knife, right?
Yeah, man.
With the height.
Wow, man, bring my height into bringing the knife in.
Okay, I don't know if you know.
Alright.
Okay, I'll let you take it out.
Okay, cool.
First time ever. Oh, that's not bad.
Oh yeah, exactly. What's that? That's exactly what it is.
Anything else?
No.
No, nothing.
You need nothing else?
No, there's nothing else then.
You got self tap and screws, right?
No.
Okay. Alright.
No, nothing else in there.
Alright. Yeah.
Just in case we have to return it.
Which I don't think we will.
You need the knife.
But again, no. Oh, sake. Okay.
Just go for that end, no?
We'll take
Otherwise,
it.
if you're gonna take, you're gonna scratch it. Slice it.
Just like that.
Slice it away from. You can
No,
slice it that
towards
way.
you, bro.
Okay, always towards you. Yes.
You might be right. You might have to return this shit.
Why? So why this guy was, panicking and worrying and,
As always.
wearing his pants. Basically, he was worried that these were like scuff marks and stuff. So it's got a protective film with it.
Oh,
See?
okay. Oh wait, it's not focusing.
Yeah? Well, it's only got a little bit, but it's okay, minor. But yeah.
Okay, could be worse.
So see what it's like when you take off the protection.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, calm. Say no more.
But yeah, that should be right. We fit it, and then I think you did get
Did I get some stuff?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay.
Oh wow, you got a bag in a bag. That's always helpful. Oh, nice nuts and bolts. Nothing else.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Well, that looks sick. Cool.
Yeah, look, it even says, do not peel off after protection film before checking, blah, 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 fitment. Yeah, see?
Oops.
Here you are stressing, oh, it's strapped, it's dented. It's alright.
Right.
Oh,
we got stickers.
stickers on the wall.
Oh yeah. Nice.
We know what those are, nuts and bolts and washers.
Do we really need that?
Nah, we don't need these. Who needs these? And they're upside down. Wait,
Right.
what? Oh, it's not a booklet, it's a leaflet. I thought it was a little book.
Oh, okay.
So, before we do what we was going to do, just going to stop you, it says here, having problems, like question mark.
Okay.
If we're going to have problems. And it's a big arrow. It says, basically we can go to their website, /manuals.
Oh wow. Okay. Pretty useful. But we got the manual right there.
Yeah, like you said, you've got the manual there. So.
Exactly. What's the point?
Yeah, but they might show you like a video of how to get it on, do it properly, but you didn't get the one with the
Yeah. Okay. That was an optional. I don't know how many pounds that was, but yeah, that was an
was it
optional.
like £5? Must be an extra.
No.
Oh really?
No, it wasn't.
Oh, okay. Anyway, guys,
Yeah.
what we're gonna do? We're gonna bring the car in, put
Yep.
it on some ramps so we can get the underneath tray off.
Yep.
Again, and then yeah, line this up and then see where we got drill in.
Yep.
And then bolt it on, and hopefully it should be
Straightforward.
straightforward, as
Right.
the man says. But yeah, we're gonna give it a go. So yeah, there we go. We're
Coolio.
gonna crack on with it now. Okay, so guys, we test fit it on. It fits on okay-ish. I think now we decided we're going to take the front bumper off because the sides, they don't quite fit properly. The centre is in the middle.
Yeah, because it's like sticking out a bit here. And if you guys can see, and then if you go on the other side,
It doesn't stick out as much. It's kind of like, and if we move it one side, then the centre is out of alignment. So if we move it to go that side, say, then it doesn't look. So it's not even in the centre there. And then there's a gap at the front, and one's bigger and one's smaller. So anyway, we decided we're going to take the bumper off real quickly, and
you guys can see that how we did that on the other one.
Yeah, in one of the videos up
somewhere.
Yeah, or down below, wherever it is.
Wherever it is, yeah.
And yeah, so we'll catch you in a minute.
Cool.
So guys, as you can see, we took the front bumper off again. So we're going to try and attempt to fit the splitter front lip back on, and hopefully we can line it up this time. And then once it's lined up, we're just going to drill and then bolt.
That's it.
Yeah.
And
it's never coming off again.
Nope. It shall not.
Yeah.
That's the point of it.
Yeah. So we're going to crack on with that, and hopefully it's not too frustrating to get on and that. So yeah. So Abby, let's give me a hand doing this, please.
Of course, man. Yeah.
So stand there behind the camera.
I mean, okay, fine. Say no more.
So it is finally on after a bit of persuading. Is it the word? Yeah, persuading.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah. So what we've done is we drilled and just bolted it along. You can see some of them here, and the rest of them are tucked underneath, so I'm out of the way.
Yeah, man, they're all tucked in.
So
Wait, we just flip.
it's not coming off in any time soon.
No, they are not.
Definitely not coming off. So yeah. So now what we're gonna do is just put the bumper back on the car, and then give you an after shot of it. And
That's
so
it.
it should be good.
Right.
So, yeah. Let's get this back on the car, yeah?
Yeah, man. Let's go. Bloody hell, that took long.
Took longer than I expected, just for a lip.
I know.
There's people out there probably doing it in like a couple of hours, but you know.
Yeah, you guys probably seen like 3 different backgrounds right now. I don't know.
Yeah, but anyway.
Moments later.
Okay guys, so that's it. So it is on finally, the bumper's all back on together. So yeah, it looks actually quite nice.
Yeah, man. It actually finishes the look.
Yeah, it's good. I like
Yeah,
it.
man.
Doesn't make me want to get one though, but yeah.
Wow. He was looking at an Audi A3, I mean Audi A5 in a diesel version, and he still says this. Yeah, man. But
So,
yeah,
yeah.
I think I'm gonna get rid of that number plate thing, put something else on for now, as in just for just looks cleaner, innit? I
Don't
think.
tell me you have to take the bumper off again. Nah, don't say that. Why? Are
Yeah,
you saying
bro.
that?
Yeah, bro. You
Why?
have to. I mean, we can try get it from the top, but yeah, let's see
Okay.
I mean, I
think
don't-
it will.
yeah.
I think this is bolted.
from the back. Oh, God.
So yeah, so that'll be another episode, guys. That's taking the bumper off again and putting these stupid little number plate things up.
That's it.
What the man wants. So yeah, so if you like the video, thumbs up, and then if you haven't subscribed, so subscribe. If you want to see more stuff, we have other projects
Coming up very soon.
Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video.